Today I'm going to show you how to boil eggs, and then when you take off the shell, sometimes people have sticky shells, or sometimes the shell breaks up in small pieces. So today I'm going to show you a time-tested way that I do it when I learned as a kid working for my grandfather in his restaurant, the Noodle Cafe. So let's get started. Bring some water to a boil, and then shake some salt into the water. Use a skimmer or a ladle to put the eggs into the water. This way, the eggs won't break. It's been about 10 minutes, so we're just going to dump the water from the eggs here, and then run some cold water over the eggs. So I'm going to leave the eggs in the water for a couple minutes, and then we'll peel the eggs. The eggs have been in the water for a couple minutes. I'm just going to drain the water, and then I'll show you how to peel the eggs. Just bang it down the middle, just like that. So the whole top comes right off. The whole top comes right off. There you go. Look at that, look at that. Perfect. I'm just going to run a little pink Himalayan salt on the eggs before I eat them. So I'm going to check the egg right now. So this is a large egg. So it usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes to boil eggs. This is a large one. I took 10 minutes. So let's see how it goes. So still probably medium well, still a little bit not fully cooked. Took about 10 minutes. For large egg, I would say 10 to 12 minutes. And then medium egg, probably 6 to 8 minutes. And soft boiled eggs, 3 to 4 minutes. So there you have it. Enjoy yourself when you make eggs. You're gonna make it fast and easy this way. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe.